Sports participation of women in India. Hello, dear student, my dear friends. I, Rakesh Mohan Kothari, welcome you on behalf of Physical Edupedia. Dear student, we have already uploaded chapter number 5. The subtopics are motor development and factors affecting it, exercise guidelines at different stages of growth and development, common postural deformities, except sports participation of women in India. So, Mrs. Sunita Shardaji, lecturer of physical education, Raisina Bengali School, is coming to discuss with you the sports participation of women in India.
In the earlier times, the women participation was very less in different sports. It is not of with the women of India all over the world. The participation of women were very less in sports, but now these days the time has changed. Women are also participating in different games and sports, and in India the women participation in Olympic, that it started in 1952, and the very first medal in women category, it was brought by our famous weightlifter Karnam Malleshwari in 2000 Olympics, and in 2008 only 26 Indian women they participated in the Olympic Games. In 2012 Olympic, Mary Kom won bronze medal in boxing, and Saina Nehwal, the shuttler, the badminton player, she won a bronze medal in badminton also. Our Sania Mirza, she has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career, and there are some other women also. They have brought medals in Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, South Asian Games, World Cups, and different. So let's see the women participation. Let's see. This is a quiz for you. If you are able to recognize these women players, let's see. Yes, students. Now recognize who is this player on number 1. Who is coming up? This is Saina Nehwal. Okay, rightly said. Now next, PV Sandhu. Okay, number next. Okay, Sania Mirza. Then this cricketer, try to recognize. This is Mithali Raj. Next, Mary Kom, the athlete, Hima Das, Shakshi Malik for wrestling, P.T. Usha, the legendary athlete. Here, the 6, the Fogart sisters for wrestling, and Madam Karnam Malleshwari. These are the legends of women participation in India. And well done, students, you recognize all of them. Reasons of poor participation of women in India. Although the women are bringing laurels in games and sports, but according to men, still the participation of women is less. So these are some of the reasons. Number 1, male dominant culture of sports. In India, it is believed that the games and sports activities they are meant for men. Women cannot participate, and women are very weak to participate games and sports. But it's not true, and the women are continuously striving to achieve heights in games and sports. Number 2, lack of time. Actually, in India, woman has to complete the household chores also, and she is the main caretaker of her children and of the elderly also at home. So she is left with very less time to take part in other recreational activities or sports activities. Lack of safety. Indian families are very worried about the safety of their girl child, and because safety of girl child is a concern of every parent, and the facilities are not very nearby, and they are not able to provide them a proper social security. So with the fear of their security, they do not send their girl child to take part in physical activities. Scarcity of the coaches. There are very less women coaches to coach girls. This is also one of the reasons of poor participation. And media also, the electronic media or the print media, they mostly cover the events of men's sports, and they do not cover the women sports and games. That is why there is very less propaganda of women's sports, and they are not able to generate interest in the public, so that they come for watching these games. So this is also one of the reasons. Very less models. Earlier it was very rare of any woman to participate in the games. So due to the scarcity of the models, of the role models, the participation was less. But now these days there are so many role models, and the girls are following them and trying to achieve heights. Lack of legislation. There are very less rules and regulation that protect the right of women in games and sports. Even the prize money itself is not as equal to the men player. The men player, they are paid more than a women player of the same caliber, and there is no legal intervention also that why this is happening. So this also leads to less participation. Lack of self confidence. Due to all these points, due to lack of security, lack of time, and lack of culture, the women, they were not able to develop their confidence to participate freely in their sports activities in which they were interested. So these were the main reasons of less participation of women in the earlier times. That's all, students, for this chapter. Now in the next video we will start the next topic, that is test and measurement. I hope you are staying in best of your health, you are maintaining all the rules and regulations of the quarantine, and following proper social distancing. That is very much necessary in these acute times. So students, be alert and stay safe and study hard for your subject. That's all for the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunita ji. Very well explained regarding sports participation of women in India. The next chapter we will discuss test and measurement in sports. Thank you very much for giving time and listening this video. Thank you.